Hello, it's Mark O'Mara here, and I just want to show you a good trick about what you can do in Excel to change the colours of the cells as you put data into them. I would encourage you to go full screen on this, and not just because I am so very pretty. So let's go over to Excel. First thing I've done is I've pasted in my class list. I'm imagining that you can do that by now in your sleep, and let's say I'm using this for conferencing. So I want to know who's done the reading, who's answered the questions, and who's done the extension activity. So I type those in there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all three of them, and I'm going to move one of them out, and that'll move all three of them out, so I've got a bit more space. Now, the next bit is the bit that you're probably already doing. Indiana has completed the reading, so if she hadn't started it, I would give her a 0. But I'm in fact going to give her a 2 because she's completed it. She's started on the questions and she hasn't done the extension activity yet. So then I'm going to go and talk to Emmy Lou. Now, Emmy Lou is very slow off the mark. She's got a 1 and a 0 and a 0. So everything here is what you're probably already doing. But here's what I'm going to do a bit differently. I'm going to grab that bunch of cells and I'm going to go down a bit in case I have more people in my class. I'm going up to Home, Conditional Formatting, Colour Scales, and I just use the first one. And as you can see, they have now gone different colours depending on what their scores are. This only works with numbers, and I can keep doing that. So I'll go and talk to Finn. He's done that. He's actually doing really well, and he started the extension activity. So what it does is you don't have to say 0 equals red or 2 equals green. It will in fact look at the range you've got, and for instance, if I look at Leela's work and I just go, wow, she did that, but her question, she's really hit the ball out of the park. So I'll bump her up to 3. See how everything else changes? So you can actually put that in, and what is good about this is that if Zelda, who's my cat, is hiding under the bed and hasn't done anything, then she's all red. So if I'm going around conferencing, I can do my first pass of the class, and then when I come back, I can actually say, you know what, I actually really need to go back and see Zelda because she hadn't made a start. Or, you know what, I can go back and I can upgrade Emmy Lou over here. So it's good because it gives you that really quick visual about where you're at, and also students see it change colour. You can do other things like averages and so forth, but just for quick data collection, I find a 0 for not started, 1 for in progress, 2 for finished, 3 for hitting the ball out of the park is really good, and that's a quick and easy tool to use.